Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this marvelous mint chutney. Now, you may have seen our video where we show you how to make tandoori fish, and you can also check out the link of that. You'll see like a link above us, and also towards the end of this video, we'll also show you the link of this fish, this tandoori fish recipe, so that you can also make it with this chutney. But if you just want to find out how to make this chutney, you are at the right place. This chutney is marvelous, it's fresh, it's fragrant, it's just a great combination. It fits like a glove onto a hand. So with that said, let's move on to the recipe now. So the first thing that goes in are the stems over here. So you place that inside. So a handful of coriander stems goes inside. So here I have a few mint leaves. These go inside, 8 to 10 mint leaves. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 a green chili, or according to your taste. So I'm going to squeeze the juice from 1/2 of a small lemon. So just give it a good squeeze over here. Try your best to get out as much juice as possible. Okay, that'll be it. And now a 1/4 cup of yogurt goes inside. And now all the ingredients are inside, you want to close it up, and then it's time to grind this. So we blitz this for about 20 seconds, not too much because it will get too liquidy. So this is enough. And now I'm just going to pour this in. And it smells absolutely wonderful. So fragrant. Wah! Okay, you saw how to make this coriander and mint chutney. So, before we end this video, just make sure that you click on the one of the video options that appears on your screen, so that you can find out how to make this masala, this tandoori fish, and also how to make the right naan that goes really well with this recipe. And do subscribe to our channel and also like the video. And with that said, catch you in the next one.